Welcome to Frank Handyman Service. On this channel, we walk you through real home repair, maintenance, and remodeling projects step by step. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we'll show you how we completely updated the plumbing in a bathroom, relocating the drain, installing new copper pipes, and getting everything ready for a modern walk-in shower. Today, we're transforming a bathroom that originally had a bathtub. The tub has been completely removed to make way for a clean, modern shower with a flush, level base. The first task is to remove the old drain, which was previously positioned where the bathtub used to sit. Since the new walk-in shower requires the drain to be in the center, we begin by taking precise measurements from both sides of the space to find the new ideal location. With the measurements in hand, we map out the new path for the PVC drain pipe. We also inspect and prepare the hole that was previously made in the subfloor. Once everything is aligned, we cut the pipe to the correct length and apply medium black ABS cement, a powerful adhesive made specifically for PVC. It ensures a strong, lasting bond when applied generously and pressed firmly. We highly recommend using gloves when working with PVC cement to avoid contact with the skin. However, experienced professionals often work without them if the situation allows. With the pipe secured in place, we do a dry fit test with the wider top section of the drain, which is designed to hold the drain cover that will be flush with the tile. This step gives us a visual of how the final drain system will sit once the flooring is installed. Next, we take the board we had previously removed and mark the exact location of the drain hole. Using those measurements, we outline and carefully cut the hole using a multi-tool. Precision in this step is essential to ensure the board fits perfectly over the drain, without gaps or misalignment. With the opening complete, we begin assembling the final pipe sections. A hand saw is used to make the last cuts, followed by another round of adhesive to join the pieces. As always, we double-check that everything is level before fastening it. Maintaining the correct slope is crucial, especially since we'll be laying tile and need proper drainage. Once satisfied with the setup, we secure the assembly to the wooden subfloor with screws using a power drill. Then we shift focus to the copper pipes that will supply hot and cold water. We start by wrapping Teflon tape around the threads of the fittings to ensure a tight, leak-proof seal. Next, we bring out the copper pipe cutter to trim the pieces down to size. Before soldering, we use sandpaper to clean and shine the ends of the copper pipes. This is a key step. Any dirt or corrosion left on the metal can prevent proper fusion during welding. The result is a solid, clean surface that's ready for heat and solder. We then position the copper pieces together and carefully begin the welding process. This stage requires patience and accuracy. If you're doing it yourself for the first time, we suggest getting some practice or assistance. We also install the mixing valve, which controls the flow of hot and cold water. As a general rule, hot water goes on the left, cold on the right, and the valve typically has clear markings to guide proper installation. Using a wrench, we tighten the connections as much as possible. We also ensure that the outlets are aligned in the same direction, allowing the pipes and fixtures to connect easily during the next phases. Using a level, we check that the valve sits evenly. After soldering, we take a damp cloth to clean off any residue and help reduce the heat on surrounding materials. Lastly, we install the upper pipe where the shower head will go. This component will carry water to the top of the shower wall and deliver it through the fixture. We repeat the same process. Cut the pipe to length, sand the ends, apply heat, and use a wrench to lock everything in place. When everything is connected, we go through a final checklist. Are the joints solid? Is everything aligned? Are we ready for the next step? With the plumbing complete and properly secured, we're now ready to move on to installing the shower base and tiling the walls. Thanks for watching another episode of Frank Handyman Service. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be continuing work on this bathroom all week long, with new home improvement content every week. See you in the next video.